Mr. Speaker, just in 1 minute, I want to say that on the issue of junior secondary schools interns, Mr. Speaker, I think it is unfair to them. More than 20,000 young Kenyans under junior secondary schools program. Mr. Speaker, there must be a process of ensuring that we put into focus that they are put in permanent and pensionable by Teacher Service Commission, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I'm very disappointed, and I want to call upon the Teacher Service Commission. I know we are presenting budget policy statements. Money should be allocated for transit from contract into PNP of junior secondary schools because they have suffered far too long. We have talked, Mr. Speaker. Let's see the action the National Assembly must and should ensure they give money for Teachers Service Commission. Finally, Speaker, is on the issue of Senator Lemaletian. On the issue of insecurity, Mr. Speaker, I'm surprised people are shocked by the incompetence and inability of the CS Interior, Murkomen, on eradicating issue of banditry. He did Jukwaa la Usalama worth 600 million, but nothing has come out because he turned Jukwaa la Usalama to Jukwaa la Kisiasa. So let us, the buck stops with him. He must fix the issue of banditry and insecurity. Finally, Speaker, is to wish you well. I've seen the Samawatal community. I've endorsed you as the gubernatorial candidate in Garissa election in 2027, and we pray may God continue to guide you until you become the governor of Garissa and correct the messes that has been perpetuated by the current regime. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I yield back.
Thank you, Senator. Senator